Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. This is the first video tutorial of sheet metal design series in NX Unigraphics. In this video, we will design displayed sheet metal object with help of sheet metal design features. So let's get started. First of all, we will create a new sheet metal file. To create this object, we will use tab, flange and normal cutout features. So first we will use tab feature. So click on tab, select the sketch section, select the XY plane, select rectangle command. Here select from center method, select the origin, enter the width 100, height 100 and angle 0. Now select the circle command, draw one circle here, go to rapid dimension, give the dimension to the circle of 3 mm. Now select the center of the circle and select the origin, enter the distance here 40. Again select the center of the circle and select the origin and give the vertical dimension 0. Now close this. Now go to pattern curve. Select this circle. Here select circular pattern and specify the origin. Enter here 12 and span angle 360. Click on OK. Now select the rectangle command and select by 2 points. Draw one rectangle like this. Go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension 5 and this dimension 20. Now close this. Now go to geometric constraint. Here select horizontal alignment. Select the midpoint and the origin. Now close this. Select fillet. Apply the fillet to these edges of 1 mm. Now close this. Now here sketch needs 2 constraints. So again go to rapid dimension. Select this point and select the origin. Enter here 10 and select this point and the origin. Select the circle command. Draw one circle 5 mm. Close this. Now go to pattern curve. Select this rectangle. Here again select circular pattern. Now specify the point and select the origin. Enter here 4. Click on apply. Now cancel this and finish the sketch. So our first step is generated. Click on OK. So select the flange feature. Here select full in width option. Select this edge. Enter the length 25. And in length reference select inside. And in inside select material inside. And click on apply. Again select this edge and click on apply. Now cancel this. Go to sketch. Select this plane. Click on OK. Select the circle command. Draw one circle. Now go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension to the circle of 5 mm. And select this center and this edge 15 and select the center and the midpoint 0. Now close this. Go to pattern curve. Select this circle. Here select linear. Select this linear object. Reverse the direction. Enter here 3. And in pitch distance enter 35. Click on OK. Now we will cut out these circles. So finish the sketch. Select normal cutout and select this sketch. Click on OK. So the circle will be cut out from this flange. Select the mirror feature command. Here select these features by pressing Ctrl key. Select this XZ plane and click on OK. So the mirror will be generated on this side. Now again we will use flange. In this time we will use at center method and select this edge. First we will reverse this direction. Enter the width 20 and length will be same. In length reference we will select inside and in inside we will select material outside. Now click on OK. So the flange is generated here. Now we will change the object color. So go to view, select edit object display, select this object, click on OK. Here we select this, click on OK. Now we will hide the sketches and planes. So select this, hide the sketches and hide the datums. Now we will change the rendering style to shaded. So our sheet metal object is completed. Hope you learn how to use tab and flange feature to create any sheet metal objects. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.